This week, prom tickets are on sale,
Spring break is almost here,
and more.
Roll intro.
This is the Chatter Newscast, coming to you from Reed Custer High School in Braidwood, Illinois.
Welcome to the Chatter Newscast. I'm Emma
And I'm Gwen, and we're here to fill you in on what's going on.
at Reed Custer High School for the week of March 18th.
Let's get started with the headlines.
This week, prom tickets will be on sale in the Commons before and after school Tuesday, March 19th to Friday, March 22nd. Prom contract and date request forms will be available at that time. The cost of the tickets will be $80 per ticket. All fees will need to be paid before buying tickets.
Before spring break kicks off, there will be an assembly on Friday, March 22nd, featuring magician, actor, comedian, and motivator Tim Haining. We will be on our assembly schedule with each class meeting for 40 minutes and no comment time, which will give us a 1-hour assembly from 2 to 3 to kick off our spring break. Thanks for Student Council for arranging this.
This is the last week of school in March because spring break is next week. The reason why we have this break is so students and staff can have some time off from classes and studies before the last half of the school year and final exams in May. Easter Sunday and Easter Monday also happen during our spring break. Have a great spring break and happy Easter, Comets!
Now let's check in with Joey for the lunch menu and healthy tip of the week.
Hi, I'm Joey, and I got this week's lunch menu. On Monday, March 18th, we will have chicken Alfredo with breadsticks, veggies, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday, March 19th, the menu includes Bosco sticks with soup, fruit, and milk. On Wednesday, March 20th, we will have meatball subs with potato wedges, veggies, fruit, and milk. On Thursday, March 21st, lunch will be mini corn dogs with butter noodles, veggies, fruit, and milk. On Friday, March 22nd, we will of course have pizza day with veggies, fruit, and milk. Here's your healthy tip of the week. What to eat. You should eat a healthy, balanced diet that matches your energy needs. This should be made up of the 5 main food groups of the Eat Well Guide: fruits and vegetables, starchy foods such as potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates, beans and pulses, fish, eggs, meat, and other proteins, dairy and alternatives, oils and spreads. That's all for this week. Stay healthy, Comets.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Comet Sports.
Hi, I'm Gwen, and let's talk girls soccer. The girls soccer week begins on Monday, March 18th, at home against Wilmington. This non-conference match begins at 5:30 p.m. at Comet Stadium. Their last match this week is a home game on Thursday, March 21st against Beecher at 5:30 p.m. Good luck, Comets!
Hi, I'm Zach, and let's talk boys baseball. Monday, March 18th, the varsity Comets will travel to DSW to face the Panthers beginning at 4:30 p.m. Tuesday, March 19th, the Comets face Bishop Mac. The varsity will host the Fighting Irish while the JV will be on the road. Friday, March 22nd, the varsity will travel to Plano to face the Reapers, and the JV will host Plano. Saturday, March 23rd, there will be a doubleheader for both the varsity and JV. The varsity will travel to El Paso Gridley. The first game against the Titans is at 10 a.m., and the second game is at 12 p.m. The JV will stay home to host the Prairie Central Hawks at 10 a.m., and the second game at 12 p.m.
Hi, I'm Morgan, and let's step into the batter's box and talk about Lady Comet softball. The varsity girls have 2 games this week, and the JV have the week off. The varsity Lady Comets travel to Gardner South Bloomington High School on Monday, March 18th, for a 4:30 game. The very next day, the varsity Lady Comets will host Westmont High School on Tuesday, March 19th at 4:30 p.m. on the softball field.
Hi, I'm Joey, and let's talk Comet Track. The 2024 indoor track season concludes this week with the prep top times at Illinois Wesleyan University on Friday, March 22nd. Good luck to all of our athletes competing. The outdoor season begins at Coal City on April 2nd.
Let's go, Comet!
Hi, I'm Morgan.
And I'm Skylar.
And we have all the latest news about clubs and activities this week. Let's get started.
On Wednesday, March 20th, the high school and middle school band students will have a spring band concert. And on Thursday, March 21st, the high school and middle school choir students will have a shared choir concert. Both will be held in the auditorium at 7 p.m.
The recycling club will meet after school on Thursday, March 21st in Miss Lavelle's room. The art club will meet on Friday, March 22nd in the art room. The project for March is Kindness Rocks. You are also more than welcome to work on one of your art projects if you are in an art class.
That's all for this week. Keep on clubbing, Comets!
That will do it for this week. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
For more Comet news, be sure to check out the Chatter on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
And be sure to join us for a new episode of the Chatter Newscast every week. Before we go, here's your weekly reflection from Sean Covet's 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teens. Habit 1 is be proactive.
Reactive people make choices based on impulse. They are like a can of soda pop. If life shakes them up a bit, the pressure builds and suddenly they explode.
Proactive people make choices based on values. They think before they act. They recognize they can't control everything that happens to them, but they can control what they do about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great week, Comets!